Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on Golf Clash application. To change your language for Golf Clash is super easy. First of all, open your Golf Clash application on your device, and once you're inside the home page, tap on the gear button at the top left corner. Now within the settings menu, you will be able to see a language option. Simply tap on it and in the pop-up, choose a different kind of a language available that you want to change to. After you select a preferred language, tap on confirm. Soon after you do that, the game will restart and now the game should display in the new language. As you can see that, I have successfully changed the display language of the game. You can always get back to the same location and change the language as shown in the tutorial. That is how you can easily change your display language setting on Golf Clash. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.